Hey everybody, it's me, Bree, and today I've just got a little miniature Goodwill haul for you guys. I've been trying not to buy as many clothes because I currently can barely fit the clothes I have in my dressers, so I've been trying to stray away from that and not hoard as much junk, but I still like to go to the Goodwill, so this is the things I picked up in this most recent haul. The first thing was 59 cents. It comes in this little pouch here, which you can use separately, obviously, for anything you wanted. And it's Mary Kay. Okay, so what you can do is you take this part out of here, and this is a mirror. Okay, and then you can stick it down in that, and then you've got a little tray, and then you've got your little portable mirror here that you can adjust however you like. So I thought that would be super neat for travel, if I'm needing to get ready in a hotel room or anything, or really just anything. For 59 cents, I thought it was pretty cool. So like I said, that was 59 cents. Couldn't pass that up. Alright, the next thing I got is another copy of The Hobbit. Currently, the copy I have is, it's like leather bound with gold embellishments and whatnot, so I don't really like to take it around with me. I like to just leave it at home, so I thought that this would be a good one if I wanted to take it with me to read it. Just a paperback. It was $1 or 50 cents or something like that. I'd like to get one that has like the original cover artwork, but this is good enough for me for the Goodwill. Alright, so the next thing I got is this super nice picture frame. It's I'd say this holds a 5x7, and it's got this like really cool leaf detail and like feather detail here, and it's not like janky plastic. It's hard. I'd say like kind of in between like metal and ceramic feeling. I'm not really sure what it is, but I got it for 99 cents. It doesn't have any hangers, but you can just set it up, or you could attach a hanger if you want to. I've already ordered a picture to put in it, so when I saw this I was like, well, that's perfect, because now I have a perfect picture for it. So like I said, this was 99 cents and I really like it. Alright, and then this, Air Goodwill does 50% off certain items each week depending on the color. This week's color was red, so this shirt was 50% off. It's just a simple black crop top. I thought that this could be cute for any sort of summer outfit. Just put it with some shorts or leggings and I'd be good to go. I don't have a lot of plain t-shirts per se. Most of my shirts have words or pictures or something on it, so I thought that this would just be a good piece to have. Alright. And then the last thing I got was probably one of my favorite things I've ever found at the Goodwill, for sure. Or no, this isn't the last thing. This is the second to last thing. Okay, so I was looking through the jackets. I was looking for like a simple, lightweight spring jacket, since it's getting to be about that weather where it's not too hot or too cold. And when I looked at the hanger, I saw a denim jacket, and I was like, well, that would be cute. But when I pulled it out, it had when I pulled it out and actually looked at it, it has giraffes on it. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I love it. On the back, it's got this little palm tree on it. And I guess it's more of a denim shirt rather than a jacket because it doesn't really have pockets. But I had to get it. I had to get it. It's so cute. If I can put it on, I'll show you what it looks like. So it's got this lace detail around the collar, the sleeves, and down the sides here. And then it's got buttons, no pockets, but it's got all these little giraffes and palm trees on it. And I just thought it was the cutest thing in the world. And it fits me just right. It comes down right to my wrists here. And I'm pretty sure this was about $3.50. So this is the last thing I picked up. I got this for $6. A Brunswick black and gold bowling ball, and it came with its own carrying case. And I actually got this for my boyfriend for his birthday that's coming up, because we like to go bowling and he likes black and gold, and so I thought this was just absolutely perfect for him, and you can't beat a $6 bowling ball.